So we got a BMW 2017 X5 here. We're gonna replace the air filter. I have an air filter here. Part number, there you go, the brand PTC. So the easy way, what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up this guy right here. So let's loosen up this bolt. And after that, we're gonna go around with this torque. This is T25. You got a whole bunch of screws all around. Loosen them all. Might not be able to reach this last one. I might. Yep. There you go. Got it. Once we get them all, they won't come out. Okay, they'll just stick up like that, so you cannot drop them. Okay, there you go. You should be able to lift this guy just like that. And there's your air filter. Never been changed in a long time. If you got any dirt and debris in here, remove it. Okay, we'll get the new filter out. Same way we took it out. You put it in the same way. Nice and flush. You bring this guy back down. And there you have it. Make sure it closes all the way like that. Let me grab my light. So make sure you get it. You see how it's sitting flush all around? Make sure it's like that. Then I'm going to try to put at least 2 bolts in first. They'll snug it in. There you go. Once it's snugged in, just lock up the rest of the bolts. Remember, it goes into plastic. You don't want to go crazy. There you go. And we successfully replaced the engine air filter on this guy. Do this every 15,000 miles. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure there's no opening, and don't forget to lock up this letter screw here. This is what let us twist this guy. So make sure everything's in place, so we didn't disturb anything here at all. That's it. Thank you for watching. Quick 5 minutes and you're all done.